Hi everyone, this is Hannah, and today I'm coming on to show you the tutorial video for this Bouquet wrapper set. So this is the basic set, and in August we have this Christmas add-on set, so you could build a center, and this is the example. So what we do today is to just make the base, and just to show you how to make the base. So you will get all these dies, and you just need to cut this one, and this one in like cardstock. Just cut them one time, so like this. And then for these pieces, they are for the layering pieces, so you also need to cut them one time. So this is the cutting dies, and I have cut all these out. So let's get started. Okay, first we need to add this layering piece on top of this base piece. And also layering these two pieces on top. So it's like this. Now we have stick all the layering pieces, right? So first we fold all this folding line. So just fold it like this way. So it will look like this. And then for this piece, we also fold it along this folding line. And now add glue on this part. And glue it like so. And let's do the same to the other side. So it's like this. And now we add a bit glue on this part. And layer it, just layer these two together. See, like this. And hold for a second so the glue can dry. And then also add glue on this part. And also just some glue at this part to finish it. Also hold for a second. So this Bouquet wrapper is ready. It will look like this. And then you can add like bows or other words on top just to further decorate it. And you can also make it into any occasions like for Mother's Day or for spring or for or for Halloween season, just using the Halloween paper, right? And also for Christmas. So this one really is very quick process that only take you a little times, like with the cutting, and it only may take you like 10 minutes to finish this project. So it's very simple to do, and a very fun way to gift some like flowers, or you can put, like I said before, the coffee mix inside, and also some short chocolate bars. So just I think this would be a very fun item to craft in, especially in this Christmas season. And this is also great for your, for your craft fairs. Like you can make it into a center version with the Christmas add-ons. So for this add-on, you only need to like add the buttons and also add this buckle here, which is included in the set. It also comes with a bowl in this set you could use. And then I use this candy cane. This is the small candy cane bowl and it fits perfectly here. So yeah, I like this one. I think they would be very cute for your craft fairs if you want it. And yeah, also great for just some gifting, Christmas gift. Yeah, so this is for today. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. So I'll catch you in my next craft video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.